Alright, we just put the water in the bowl real quick. Now we gotta turn on the stove. You ain't reading the directions.
I know how to do it.
Taste test. Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Nick. So as you all know, lately Chipotle has been under fire.
Lately, Chipotle have not hit the same.
If the portion sizes aren't top tier, walk out.
Oh man, I'm okay. I'm good.
So I decided to take it upon myself and make my very own Chipotle at home. But if you do enjoy today's video and you want to learn how to make your own Chipotle yourself, make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe so it pushes the video for more audience and we get more subscribers, you know, things like that, build the channel up. But with that being said, let's get right into the video. Alright, so we got the meat already cleaned right here, as you can see. Wait, but before we cut the meat in pieces, we gotta boil this rice, as you can see right here. Alright, we just put the water in the bowl real quick. Now we gotta turn on the stove.
Have you learned how to turn on the stove yet?
Really, nigga?
Alright, so let's turn on the stove real quick.
They say low. High. Don't open it. You put it in there.
Oh!
It say boil in the bag.
Okay.
You should know the directions.
You ain't read the directions.
I know how to do it.
Now we on to cutting the meat. Whoa, I gotta pause when I say that.
Oh my goodness.
12 sleepless hours later.
Alright, we just got done cutting all the chicken right here. We're gonna put some seasoning in it. It's good. That's enough. Alright. Another seasoning. Some more? I'll get back to y'all. I'll get back to y'all when I put all the seasoning in. Alright, we just got done having all these seasons put in here. Mom, can you put any of your own seasons you want to?
Yeah, you can mix something together and make it all.
Okay. So we got all these flavors right here. You want to take a look at it? All of these right here you can use. We mixed all of that into this for the meat. And now we're on to the next thing.
Now, what you're going to do is you can saute some of this, just a little mix. You do it all together in one. We bought it already chopped up because you gotta do it chop it up.
What is she talking about?
Okay.
Alright, we're finna open this up real quick. I put a little bit of this. I don't really eat the veggie part.
Might as well pour the rest of it in. There's nothing left.
Alright, we stirring this right now. Alright, now what?
Put it in there.
Now what?
You need the spoon. Push it back a little bit. That's something.
Good, looking good.
You have these pinto beans and porky beans. You put one in each pot. And the pinto beans.
What is in here?
Yeah, it's not hot. Just get it and dump it in.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we just got done making the chicken, the rice, the beans, and we also got black beans right here. We're finna dig up and eat. So, this is for you, Chipotle, since you don't want to make the proportions right, and I don't feel like filming inside there to make my proportions right. We made Chipotle at home. Now, let's dig up and eat. Alright, taste test. Taste test of it. Oh, it's good. Very good.
Chew with your mouth open.
Very good. 8 out of 10 meal. Chipotle made at home. Did you enjoy today's video? Make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe. Tell me down in the comment section below what's your thoughts on the Chipotle proportion thing, and also will you be making your own Chipotle at home. That being said, I'll see y'all later. Peace.